Johnny Prime here with Frantic TV, kicking off a new season with a new bike. Around the hood in 8 minutes, I'm going to show you guys this new bike I got called the Chimera. 3,800 watt motor, 35 plus miles an hour, and just 35 pounds. Let's take a look at it. I've got the Chimera here. I'm gonna take it out and bed the brakes, do a little bit of first ride footage. I've got the bike tuned down right now to 1,000 watts, a little bit slower throttle response time, and just overall lower power settings. That way I can sort of ease into the power of the bike. My only experience on e-bikes or anything motorized with two wheels is the Zoos. So this is considerably more torque and more power than the Zoos, so I have to kind of ease into it. And I figured bedding the brakes is a perfect way to do that and get used to how the bike feels. And so I figured I'd camera up and get some of this on video so that I can show you guys what it's like to ride on this thing. This guy sits very low to the ground. I feel like I'm on a kid's bike or a 20-inch BMX. It's not a bad thing. It feels so light, freeing in a way. It's less complicated, less cumbersome. Right now I'm just pedaling. I don't even have the battery on. I don't have the bike on. And I'm just kind of going down my street, get a feel for the cadence of the pedaling. And it's pretty cool. Let me just coast a little bit so you can hear that freewheel. Was it 216 points of engagement or whatever it is? So nice, so smooth. It's weird having the throttle that's a trigger instead of a thumb. Oh, there we go. Okay. Whoa. This thing definitely has torque, man. Wow. It almost wanted to, wow, it really wants to get away from me. This is going to take some getting used to for sure. That's nice. A lot more kick than I'm used to. But once I lean into it and get a feel for how it's ramping up the speed, it's more comfortable. The initial jerk of hitting the throttle is potent. It's powerful. If you're not careful, you can throw yourself right off the bike. It's so crazy. The front wheel almost wants to lift off the ground. It really wants to lift off, man. It's crazy. Brakes are bedded. Got a couple of photos. Got some video of the bike. I'm gonna ride around a little more and enjoy this thing. I want to go ride up into Alphabet City, just see how I feel with taking on some of these streets. Just coming up to Houston here. Maybe I'll ride by Davy's place, see if anyone's outside hanging. Yeah, this bike is wild, man. It makes you want to lean forward because I'm still getting used to the kick. Right now I've got it set up like a super beefy, super aggressive Zeus 750. I can feel it pulling my body backward. It wants to get away from me. See, anyone out here? No. That's usually where Davy's hanging out, Benny. Let's go around this circle in here. I'm on 10th Street, just east of Avenue D, between Avenue D and the FDR. There's a little traffic circle here to get you. Used to be a dead end, but then they made an exit out onto the highway. All right, good brake response, good throttle pickup. Hey, there he is. I was wondering if I would see you guys. Came up here looking around.
Okay, I just put out the new bike.
There it is. Yeah, I'm just bedding the brakes. I'm doing like a little first ride video.
Okay.
Say hi to the camera.
Yep. I gotta take a picture.
Yeah, man.
Looks dope.
It's very simple. It's very simple, super light.
It looks like.
The throttle is a lot more than I'm used to right now. Like, it's real peppy. And I got it dialed down for now, just till I get used to it. This is literally my first ride on it. Dude, it's so light. Feel it. Feel how light it is. It's got a trigger throttle too. It's a little different than what I'm used to.
Oh yeah, it definitely is.
All right, man.
I'll see you later.
See you. All right, so we did see Benny. Benny's always got that nice high-powered scooter. Very cool. It's funny, a few of us discovered we're all like neighbors. So Benny's always down here. Davey lives right there on like 10th and D. And Frankie with the Huck. He's local too. He's on like 14th Street and 3rd or 2nd. Yeah, see right there I'm at max speed. It's probably about 25. Get on Houston, stay in the bike lane, nice and safe. Just cruise. Actually, I'm gonna ride by my buddy's burger spot, Gotham Burger Social Club. Supposed to be opening soon. Maybe I can get a peek inside. Oh, I love this bike, man. I love it. It is so awesome. It's so lightweight, chill, quick, nimble. Let's see, it looks like there's people here. You know if Mike's here, Mike Puma? The owner?
He's not here.
He's not here? Okay.
He's coming back in about 1 hour.
All right. Thank you. All right. So I got to see my friend Mike over at Gotham Burger Social Club. He was out on a lunch break when I stopped by, and I showed up a little bit later and he was there, but he wouldn't let me film inside yet because they're not yet open. He wants it to be like a big reveal next week. I think they open next week. So we'll see how it goes, and maybe I'll drop back in there and give an update. So that's it. We did it around the hood in 8 minutes. Kicked off a new season with a new bike. Thanks for watching. Around the hood in 8 minutes, only on Frantic TV.